So how to enter download mode on your Samsung Galaxy A56? So you need a USB cable, and that's connect with your laptop or PC. I already connect my USB with my PC. Now turn off your phone, and the tricks is volume up and volume down. Press and hold two buttons together and insert the USB cable. Let's try. You can see the download option is coming now, and volume up to continue and volume down to cancel. Volume up, then your download mode is enabled. So how to turn off it? To exit from this option, volume down and power button. Unplug your USB and volume down and power button, press and hold together, and phone is restarting. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget the thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.